Hello guys, welcome to We Move, where we move mathematics, we move maths. So now we're about to move another problem. Yeah, we are about to move another problem. So here's the problem. Determine the values of the values of x and y if 3 to the exponent of y plus 1 divided by 32 is equivalent to 96, or to the exponent of x all in the square root. So now we are supposed to get the values of x and y. So we are concerned with y and x. So let me write down my problem here. It's 3 all to the exponent of y plus 1 divided by 32, which is equivalent to 96, all to the exponent of x under the square root. This is all under the square root. So now let me break down my problem. I'm going to have 3y all to the exponent of y plus 1. So I prefer to break this one into its prime factors. You know, like its prime factors is 2, 2, 2. So it is just 2 to the exponent of 5, which is equivalent to 96. 96 is the same as 32 times 3. So it is going to be the same as 2 to the exponent of 5, which is 32 times 3. So this stands for 96. This is 96 in the calculator. I hope so. But yes, it is. All to the exponent of x square rooted. Okay, fine. So far we are going so well. Then now, since we have this, what do we do now? I don't know, but I know. Then like now, I want to try to put this one like a let me use like that exponential law. Like let me try to put this one. I don't want it to be like in fraction form. Like I want to maybe take this exponent to that side, this exponent to that side. Because of when this like this is scary for me. Like I just want it like to look linearly. So I'm just gonna have 3y to the exponent of y plus 1, I mean, all times 2 to the exponent of negative 5. Because of when I take it to the other side, the sign of the exponent changes. That's why I put negative. All is equivalent to, so since you know, like now I have the root, then it's the same as I divide this thing by 2. The root, if I is under the square root, this is the same as a, so maybe here let's say it's b, is the same as b divided by 2. So now since we have x here, we have the same as 2 to the exponent of 5 times 3. So this whole thing to the exponent of x divided by 2. So the exponent of x plus 2. This is just pure algebra. Like if maybe, okay, let me write it well because of didn't write it really well. This is just algebra. If like you don't understand what I did here, you just say, I don't understand that algebra mess there. Then I'll make a video specifically for this, breaking it down. But like here, we are about to solve this problem to the exponent of 2. So now what do we do now? Simplify it. So this one like looks simplified because of this is a term, this is a term. Okay, even this one, like let's break down this one. Like let's now deal with this parenthesis. Like let's deal with this bracket now. Let's see how to deal with it. This one I write it the way it is. I'm not gonna add anything, subtract anything. It is fine the way it is. So now how do I do with this? So this thing, this exponent and this one, this exponent and this. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is that like it's gonna be 2 to the exponent of this one times this one is gonna be 5x divided by 2 times this is multiplication times 3. 1 times this is gonna be 3x divided by 2. So now this thing is looking clearly. So now, okay, let me use a different color. This 3 and this 3, these bases are the same. This one, these bases are the same. So it means that 3y plus 1 is the same as 3x divided by 2 because of the bases are the same. Similarly, even with this one, 2 to the exponent of -5, it is the same as 5x divided by 2. The bases are the same. So now I can drop the bases so that like the exponents can be the same as well because of the bases are the same. Now the exponents, I want them to be the same as well. So I'm going to say -5 is equivalent to 5 divided by 2x. So I times this by this is 10. -10 actually. -10 divided by 5 is going to be, okay, let me just do it, that algebra. This one times this one, I'm cross multiplying. Then it's going to be -10, which is close to 5x. Then I divide both by 5, then I'm going to have -2. My x is -2. The reason why I started with this one is because of like this one has only one variable, which is x. This one has like two variables, so it means that like I had to first get the x variable. I'm sorry for not mentioning that, but like I hope now you realize why I started with this one, not this one. So now then I have my x. This x I'm going to substitute. So now the bases are the same. 3 and 3 are the bases the same. It means the exponents, they must also be the same. My exponent is going to be y plus 1 is the same as x divided by 2. But I know that my x here, my x is what? Is -2. I can just brush it. Then like in the place of x, I just put -2. So it's going to be -2 divided by 2 is the same as -1. Is the same as -1. So when I subtract both sides by -1, is going to be -2. Then my y is going to be -2. This is how we solve the solution. If my battery is even low. Thank you so much for being with us up to this point. We move.